Okay, so we're gonna open this card right here, because this whole piece is a one piece, so this doesn't come out. I mean, this comes out. You just squeeze this and pull it back. But the thing is, this piece is a whole piece. There's no way you can take this off. So we're gonna screw this to get this off, and then we're gonna screw this. There should be two, one in the top, one on the bottom, behind here. So we're gonna do that, and then I'll show you the next step. We took this off. Now you have this piece right here. I mean, you could take the whole thing off. I could actually. Let me take the whole thing off. So you can take the whole thing off because it's easier to work on it. It's not complicated. It's nothing big. It's just taking the screws off. Loose it up. You're gonna pull this off, and this goes off too. So now you have more space to work on. So now you have one screw right there, and then see if you can check the other one right down there. That is the sensor. I'm going to change the whole thing because I feel that is the whole thing that is bad. I can feel the loss of power, the acceleration, hesitation. It's stalling me already because it's not getting the enough amount of oxygen, or it's not reading this. Sorry, it's not reading the oxygen level correctly. So okay, I'm gonna change the screwdriver. I don't want to mess it up. I should get a bigger one though. Let's get it. Do not, and I repeat, do not touch that right now, or the inside of it. That's the big rule right there. You do not touch that. Now we're gonna hope it is what I'm looking for. Oh. Just for now, I'll get a better seal later. This helps. this part right here. So I'm missing something. It says it has a mesh. It doesn't have a mesh. What a bunch of lies. Okay, we'll see.
Tony and Bella to eat out here. Then I can get them done for a nap. Just so you know. How's it going?
It doesn't have filter, it doesn't have cover, it didn't have the seal.